Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to select default app language on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app. Now you have to move to the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. After this type of page will appear in front of you. Now you have to scroll this and select the language from here. In this way, at the top you can see select your default app language. In this way you have to select any of the app language from here. I have selected English. That's why the content will appear in English. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.